Missed our last workshop? Don't worry, another one is coming soon, but places will be limited, so register early. Our first session was fully booked. Over 30 people applied and 10 participants joined us for a 4-hour immersive experience. This wasn't a lecture, it was about living the experience of AI. We used roleplay to tackle real questions from head teachers, healthcare leaders, and even investors, building listening skills, empathy, and confidence. The outcome was clear. AI doesn't replace people, it empowers them. In the afternoon, we went wild water rafting and we compared that experience directly to AI. It's fast, unpredictable, sometimes frightening, but with trust, teamwork, and the right perspective, it becomes exhilarating and empowering. That's the lesson of People First AI at xhal.uk. We ride the rapids together, not alone. If you missed out, don't worry. Another workshop is on the way. First come, first serve. So book early and join us for the ride. AI affects all of us. Have your say. We invite you. Who else is doing that?